For the past decade, students and faculty at Chengdu Normal University have been enjoying the luxury of 24-hour comfortable hot water without the worry of fluctuating temperatures during showers. Founded in 1955, Chengdu Normal University is a provincial undergraduate normal university in Sichuan province. In 2014, the university initiated a project to use clean energy for providing hot water services to its 16,000 students and staff. Considering the prolonged peak water usage and substantial water demand of the university, AIROSD tailored a solution for Chengdu Normal University. Consisting of 60 units of 10 HP circulating hot water machines and a 500-ton water tank, AIROSD units provide instant and continuous temperature-controlled hot water around the clock, meeting the year-round hot water needs of the university's students and faculty. The system not only fulfills the requirements, but also demonstrates excellent energy efficiency, earning recognition from the university. After a decade in operation, the hot water system continues to